This is my video presentation. Uh, this app is a simple scraper, word scraper. So it does scraping for both PDF documents and HTML documents. This is the improvement over the class example, where we had one code base doing just local files, PDF files, and we had another one doing HTML files. This does both. Also an improvement over the class example, there's a UI attached to this so the user can be able to see it better, see the aggregates, see the word cloud aggregates, and the tokenized sentences and the tokenized words. Also, with the code, I have implemented a section where you can download the tokenized sentences or words. So there is a table. All of this will be shown in the demonstration. So there's a table where you can download the table in CSV format, so you can see the tokenized words and sentences. This is our code base. Pretty simple stuff. These are our classes and our functions. And of course, we have our class driver over here. So of course, as always, I will be running using the Streamlit Python library. Of course, I have copied the Streamlit and I will paste it here in my terminal. Press enter. So now we're just waiting for Streamlit to be open. So yeah, so you can see this is our UI, this is our user interface here. Little nice interactive nav bar over here. So as you can see, there's a setting. So this accepts PDF or HTML. Of course, if I click this, there's a helper function in there for error handling. It says, please enter a valid URL. So the first thing I'm going to enter is I'm going to enter a PDF document from here. This is my theme is health. So this is a coronary artery bypass grafting. I will copy this link and this PDF link, and I will paste it into our app. So I'm going to paste this over here like so. And I click scrape and analyze. And as you can see, this little nice loading bar over here, just processing all the pages so the user can see the progress of the thing. You can see that the word cloud updated. So the word cloud dynamically updates as the pages are being processed. So this is an aggregate word cloud. What you have over here is call it sort of a per page word cloud. So for every single page that the system has processed, it picks out the most commonly used word and it just puts that word over here, right? So this is sort of a per page word cloud, while this is a book wide word cloud. So this aggregate word cloud is the one for the entire book. So we can see coronary over here, we can see artery bypass, patients, bypass grafting, of course, which is the topic over here. But you can see that we don't really see that over here because this is sort of like a per page word cloud. So it's taking page 1, gonna pick one word from there, put it over here, page 2, page 3, etc., etc. However, with the aggregate word cloud over here, it does it for the entire book. This is our table, which I talked about. So for every single page, you can see the amount of sentences that were tokenized. You can see the amount of tokens, the amount of clean tokens. You can see the top words for every single page as well. So you can see all of this on this really nice, neat table. And of course, there's the option to download all of this as a CSV file. This was for a PDF. So we'll do this exact same thing for an HTML page as well. So here we have this is also a health document from CNN. We will copy this. I will copy this, excuse me, and paste it over here. excuse me, I need to copy that again. I'm going to copy that again. I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to copy this link like so. I'm just going to wait for this to be done. And I will repaste that. All right. And of course, yes, as we can see, this is our word cloud and our aggregate word cloud. So you might notice the biggest differential between the word cloud for the PDF document and the word cloud for this HTML document. This is a one-page HTML, so it's just one page like so. So there is no individual pages that are being processed. So there is no need for this particular word cloud that we have over here. There is no need for this one to be different from the aggregate word cloud. And so that is why you see that they are basically the exact same thing. However, for the previous one, the word cloud that we had over here was different from the one that we had in the aggregate word cloud. Because if you remember, the word cloud over here was a per page word cloud. So it was taking the most used words on every page and just stamping it over there. However, for the aggregate word cloud, it was doing it for the entire book. But with this HTML file, what we see here is it's the same thing because it's just one single page. There aren't any multiple pages. So as always with the previous one, we can always download this as well and observe it later on. And over here, of course, you have our table over here where we can see the top words that were used as is with the previous one. This is my presentation. Thank you very much.